Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 360-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a straight line first. Next, pointing out here to draw 360-degree angle on this point. Now putting the protractor on the line perfectly, then counting the angle. So this is up to 180-degree angle and this is up to 180-degree angle. So by adding 180-degree plus 180-degree, then we can get 360-degree angle. So this is 360-degree angle and this is PQR and this is angle 360-degree. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend and please like the video. Thanks for watching.